Welcome to the Shore and Moffett Libraries tutorial designed to introduce you to some of the advanced features you might want to use when searching for articles using the Avery Index to Architectural Periodicals. This is the second in a series of tutorials to guide you through using the Avery Index. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the different search field options to execute different kinds of searches, how to enter complex Boolean statements into Avery, apply limits to searches, how to narrow your results and sort them, how to use subject headings, email, print, cite, and export to RefWorks to track your research, and how to use the Interlibrary Loan Service to obtain articles from journals the University of Toronto does not subscribe to. An anywhere or keyword search searches the full article record for the words you enter into the search boxes. This can sometimes bring back too many results. To execute a more specific search, you can change the parameters of the search fields by clicking on the pull-down menu. You can limit your searches in Avery by abstract, author name, document title. This one comes in especially handy if your professor has recommended an article or you found a citation you're interested in reading, journal title, subject, and more. Let's pretend my course instructor recommends I read an article by Mark Wigley published in a journal log. I've forgotten the title of the article, but I'm still going to try to search for it. To search for a particular author in Avery, change the search option in the pull-down menu to author. For a personal name, enter the author's last name first, followed by their given name with a comma separating the two. You can also just try entering the last name. To search on a journal title, change the search option in the pull-down menu to publication title. And enter the journal title in the search box. The article Mark Wigley wrote was published in issue 15 of Log and is titled Anna Architecture, The Forensics of Explanation. Avery provides you with the and or functions and parentheses to build Boolean search statements. For simple searches, i.e. keywords with only one synonym or similar term, enter your search words in the provided search boxes. You can always add or remove rows as needed. To strengthen your searches, use truncation and phrasing. Adding quotation marks around 2- and 3-word phrases searches for the exact phrase and narrows your results. Truncation is adding a star to the end of a stem word. It searches for all the words that start with that word stem and broadens your results. For keywords with more than one synonym or similar terms, enter your entire search statement as a single string in the first search box, using and, or, and parentheses, and keep your search field option as anywhere. There are a variety of limits you can apply before you run your search. If you are writing a research paper, I recommend your document type limit be set to journal articles only. I also only want articles in English or that have English parallel text, so I'll apply that as a language limit to my search. We've retrieved information about 31 articles. Your results default to being sorted by relevance. This is the number of times the words or phrases you searched on appear in the article record. You can also sort your results by publication date, oldest or newest first. I'm going to select this article to review later. You can also further narrow your results. The search I executed pulled up article records from both scholarly journals and trade and popular magazines. Most times, especially if you are searching on a specific project, this is fine. Other times, though, for the purpose of writing a research paper, you may only want articles from scholarly journals. Sometimes this will be specified in your assignment outline. I'm going to narrow my results to peer-reviewed and scholarly journals only. We now have information about 5 articles. I'm going to select some more articles records to review. Let's look at the selected items list. This article looks interesting. Here is the record for the article, A Matter of Life and Debt, The Untold Cost of Rafik Hariri's New Beirut, published in the Journal of Architecture. The Avery Index has several tools that can help you keep track of your research. You can email yourself or print the article record, citation, and if available, the abstract, full text of the article, and any images. Cite the article and export the bibliographic information to a citation management tool of your choice. Select RefWorks, since that is the citation management tool supported by the University of Toronto Libraries. RefWorks is a web-based citation management tool that is available to University of Toronto students, faculty, and staff. It imports metadata from library catalogs, databases, and the internet. It allows you to save references in folders you create bibliographies in a specified citation style, and export those references to add to your assignments. If this is your first time using RefWorks, or if you are new to the University of Toronto, start by clicking on the Sign Up for a New Account link. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Preferably, you should use a University of Toronto email, create a login name for yourself, and a password. If you already have a RefWorks account, just log in. Librarians at the University of Toronto create a variety of guides to help you with your research and different tools. Click on this link here for the Scholars Portal RefWorks Guide that has instructions on how to use RefWorks. Now let's find out if one of the libraries at the University of Toronto has the Journal of Architecture by clicking on the Get It UTL link. The Journal of Architecture is available electronically, so the article is available as a full-text PDF through Serial Solutions. Clicking on the PDF link will bring up the article. You can then read, save, or print the full-text article. Let's go back to the article record and see how subject headings can help us in our research. Subject headings are standardized terms used consistently to represent the content of an item. Clicking on a subject heading will retrieve all the items given that specific subject heading. I'm going to click on the subject heading, Cities and Towns, Lebanon, Beirut. We've retrieved information about 9 articles which share the subject heading, Cities and Towns, Lebanon, Beirut. I'm going to select this item and look at the full article record. Let's find out if one of the libraries at the University of Toronto has the journal Transitions by clicking on the Get It UTL link. We are seeing this serial solution screen because Transitions is one of those journals that is not available electronically. The vast majority of architecture, landscape architecture, and urban design journals and periodicals are available only in print. Clicking on the Search the U of T Library Catalog link will search the University of Toronto Library to find if or which University of Toronto Library has Transitions. The journal title search did not pull up a record for Transitions. This means that no University of Toronto library subscribes to this journal. Databases tell us what's out there in the world, not necessarily only what the University of Toronto library system has. But this doesn't mean you can't obtain the article. If a journal isn't available on campus, you can request it from other institutions using RACER, the Interlibrary Loan Service. You can request books, journal articles, and other materials from institutions worldwide using RACER. Click on the Request an Interlibrary Loan link to request for the article. Serial Solutions fills out all the bibliographic information needed to request your article. Because of copyright restrictions, articles are only available in print, so first select your pickup location from the drop-down menu here. Then type in your login number, which is the 16-digit barcode number on your T-card, then your password, which is the last 4 digits of your student number, and finally your University of Toronto email address. Usually your article will be received within a week to 10 days at the library you've specified. You'll receive an email message alerting you when it has arrived. If you have any questions or need any more help using the Avery Index, check out the Shore and Moffett Library's tutorials page on the research guide for architecture, landscape architecture, and urban design, or send me an email below, or come see us in person at the Shore and Moffett Library. Be sure to check out the next video tutorial in the series. It will teach you how to use the Avery Index to Architectural Periodicals to locate sources for architectural images.